Have you heard stories about food going bad in the Disney refrigerators? Are they refrigerators? Are they beverage coolers? I did a little experiment to find out. Come along and see what I found. Hi everyone, I'm Carol, and you're watching CAROL-WDWAO. I'm here at Pop Century with my beverage cooler slash refrigerator. And I had heard stories from a lot of people saying milk didn't last, insulin you should leave up front. So I really wanted to find out what the temperature was here. Science teacher, you know. Those things never die even after you're retired. So I brought a thermometer from home, and I am at Pop, and then we're going to do a split stay at the Polynesian, and I'm going to check the refrigerator temperature at both places. I'm here at the Poly, and the noise you're hearing in the background, unfortunately, is all the construction near my room. Let me show you. So this is the new DVC building. I'm getting an up-close and personal view of it. Some nice machinery. The monorail is going right by the room there. If I were a little kid, I would be having a blast watching all this big construction equipment. But when it started at 7 a.m., I wasn't the biggest fan. And here is the rest of my lovely view. They did manage to save this tree, however. They have it anchored in several places because all this digging would have disturbed the root system. So that's the bad news. Now it's not all bad. Let me take you on a view of, I can see the Grand Floridian and the rest of Polynesian here, and off here in the distance I have a view of the castle. So last night, watching the fireworks from here, and it was a Halloween party night, so I couldn't go into Magic Kingdom to watch them, was spectacular. So that's all the bad and good news about our room here. One of the questions I get a lot is about the refrigerator in the resort rooms. Is it a refrigerator? Is it a beverage cooler? What's the temperature? Can you keep milk in it, or is it really just for vegetables and, you know, non-perishable stuff? So I brought a thermometer from home, and I'm going to put it in the beverage refrigerator. We're going to head to Disney Springs. When I come back, we will read the temperature there. Now, it does say the beverage cooler cools to 41 degrees and above. Please contact the front desk for assistance. If you have something like insulin that must be kept cold, it is a good idea to contact the front desk. They'll either keep it refrigerated for you or sometimes have a little mini actual refrigerator. But these are listed as beverage coolers. So we're going to put this in and see what we get. So we're back from Disney Springs. We've been there a couple hours. I'm getting the thermometer out, and it is foggy. And come on, focus. It is at 40. It is at 44. Why don't you focus? There we go. It is at 44. It's not going to keep medicines refrigerator cold. You know, we've had cheese in there before. I haven't done milk, so I can't tell you about milk, but that's what this is. Now, we're doing a split stay, and we're going to the Polynesian. So we will find out, we'll do a refrigerator check over there too, so we can test our refrigerators. Of course, I brought a thermometer to Disney so we could test refrigerators, because
you're crazy.
I'm crazy. This is a different refrigerator. We're now at the Polynesian. Deluxe Resort versus Value. The refrigerator looks the same. It has the same label on it. It is listed as a beverage cooler rather than a refrigerator. But let's check out the temperature and see what the temperature is here. And get the fog away from that. Oh my God, it fogs up instantly when it comes out. But this one, trust me, there we go, is at 41. It went up a little bit, and you can see it rising in my hand right now. But when I did pull it out, it was 41. This was 3 degrees cooler than at Pop Century, although me taking it out, getting it in focus took a little longer at Pop. So it's definitely above 40 degrees. If you have insulin, milk is not going to it's not going to go bad in a day, but it's going to go bad faster than what you would normally expect. Refrigerator, beverage cooler, continuum. As we were checking out, Lee noticed that the cuties, the little oranges that I had that were on the top shelf, pressed back against the wall, some of those were actually frozen. So while the temperature in the middle shelf was 41 at the Polynesian, against the back of the refrigerator, the top shelf was definitely colder. So if you have milk products, yogurt, things like that, I would store them as far back in as possible on that top shelf. It'll give you a little longer lasting, I think. If you found this vlog helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Hit that bell so you know when new videos come out. We have an adult-only Facebook group, WDWAO. We'd love for you to join us there. And last but not least, never grow up.